Hey everybody, Dr. J.J. Levine, president of Essante Organics. I hope everybody who's watching this video, either live or on the replay, are staying healthy. And hopefully you're heeding the warnings from public health officials. And love to know down below, go ahead and write in the comments what you are doing to help keep you and your family healthy. Now, one of the recommendations that you've probably heard about is the social distancing. So I know many of you are doing that, and what a great time to be alive, not because of the pandemic, but because of technology like this. With social distancing, you can still be in touch with your family with free video conferencing, such as the medium that I'm using right now. But another piece of advice that we're being given is that we need to keep our hands clean and sanitized. Okay, that's very, very good. We should be doing that all the time, even when there's not a pandemic. But the sanitizers that people are recommending are alcohol-based, not to mention usually loaded with other toxins. And for those of you who realize that alcohol is very drying, you might find yourself in a situation right now where you're washing your hands with warm water all the time. Good. You're sanitizing your skin all the time, your hands. But now your skin is getting cracked. Have you noticed that? Look at your hands right now. Are they drier than usual? Maybe they're not cracked yet, but they're drier than usual. Well, you know what the number one organ that you have on or in your body to prevent disease? Well, your biggest immune organ is your skin. It's the first line of defense. So if your skin is dry, or even worse, cracked, or even worse, cut open, well, now your defense mechanism, your force field around your body, so to speak, isn't as strong as it should be. So let's talk about some products here that we have offering at Essante Organics. First and foremost, our sanitizer spray. I've talked about it before. This is 100% toxic-free. It comes in two sizes, so you can have this in your purse, your pocket, little size, or your attaché case, if anybody has an attaché case or briefcase anymore, and it comes with the large size as well. Both of these products are designed to clean pretty much any surface in your house, and just like the other products that you see on the market, the other sanitizers, whether they're made for your skin or made for surfaces in your house, usually they're two different products. This product, just like those, kills 99.9% of the germs, bacteria, virus, and fungus. But the difference is this isn't alcohol-based. It uses the power of stabilized oxygen to achieve that. Now, why is that a benefit for you? Because it's going to give you the same effects as those other products, but it's toxic-free and it doesn't dry out your skin. So you can spray this on your hands. You can spray this in your mouth. You can't do that with the other products, right? And you can spray this on any surface in your house. This is a daily essential, Essante Organics Sanitizer, either size or both. You're going to want to be using this on a regular basis. Now, washing your hands. Here's our hand candy. This product smells amazing. I mean, anyone who uses this product, they're going to love the lather, they're going to love the smell. But where other soap companies and other companies have toxins in their product, we are toxic-free. We replace, where we take out the toxic ingredients, or we never even have them, we replace those ingredients with organic botanicals that are designed to nourish your body. So not only is this going to help you prevent from getting dried skin, as does the sanitizer, we're giving your body nutrition from the outside in, thereby making your force field, your skin, your defense system, your immune system, we're supporting it. We're not inhibiting. When you're using products that are loaded with toxins, not our products, the products that you're typically getting in the store and from other companies, if they've got toxic ingredients in it, your body not only is not being defended the way it should be, you're actually decreasing your defenses because you're loading your body up with toxins. Your body's got to figure out a way to combat those toxic ingredients that you've just put on your skin. And realize it's not just on your skin, it's in your bloodstream in a matter of seconds. So, hand candy soap. And then last but not least, we were talking about dry, cracked skin. Right now, whether you're listening to what I'm saying and using toxic-free products from Essante or not, you've got to be moisturizing your skin too, more than ever. Here is our citrus body butter. It too also comes in two sizes, a size that's real easy for you to put in your pocket or this larger size. This product has been a huge seller. It's been hugely popular forever since we've been offering it. It smells amazing. And it too, like the hand candy, has organic botanicals in it. So not only is it going to be the best moisturizer you've ever done, not only is it going to protect not only your hands, but your elbows, your arms, your legs, your feet, as far as moisturization goes, it's going to add those organic botanicals that's going to help support, not ravish, but help support your immune system. So just some food for thought for today. Stay toxic free, insist on organic ingredients, and where other companies are having supply chain issues and or worse are gouging the public, you're going to find that we still have the same prices. And in many cases, you can check our on sale now section because we're always putting products on sale. So those are my thoughts for today. Add some comments down below. You know, I always love to read your comments on what you're doing to protect yourself and protect your family and to stay well. Are you using some of these products? Are you doing other things? Practicing these daily essentials, not only social distancing, but keeping your skin healthy, nourishing your skin with proper healthy ingredients designed to nourish your body versus ravage your body with toxic ingredients, just makes sense to me. Well, as always, I look forward to sharing again with you real soon. Bye-bye, everybody, and please stay healthy.